Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Forum video. This is Dragonicwarfare, and today we're talking about some cool promotions. So let's go ahead and talk about a BYOD promotion, which gives you a real good incentive to actually do a BYOD. So here you go. If you scroll down a little bit through Boost Mobile's website, you will find this. Sorry, there's no webcam in today's video, guys. I've been having some issues with my webcam not being read on my computer for some reason, and I gotta figure out how to fix that. So I'm doing a couple updates and this and that. So yeah. So I'm on my iPad, so I know the audio is probably not going to be the best, but just bear with me, guys. So let's get through this. So it says, bring your own phone, $40 a month, unlimited talk and text, plus 35 gigs of LTE data, which is pretty good, guys. For $40 a month, 35 gigs is ridiculous. It says when you bring your own phone after the first month of service for 6 months, just $50 a month after that. So it says after the first month of service for 6 months, it's just gonna be $50 a month. So the price will go back up to $50 after that. It says, which I mean, it's pretty good deal though. After that, of course, you can switch and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and look at the details on this BYOD. So it says BYOP, or bring your own phones, $4 a month. Offer is from April 16 all the way until the 8th of July. So this is actually tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow's the last day you can take care of this promotion. That's why I'm kind of telling you right now. That way you go ahead and jump on it if you're interested. It says available to new or porting customers activating on expanded data network and on the 50 or 60 unlimited plan. It says applicable to single line and primary line on a family plan. After the first month of service, $50 credit will apply towards Boost Mobile service for 6 months. So that's another verification right there, guys, is for the first month you will pay the normal, let's say $50. You'll pay that. The second month is when you'll get a $10 credit towards your Boost Mobile service for 6 months. So for 6 months you will have $10 off savings. That's basically $60 there off your service. So remember, if you get the $50 plan, you get it for 40, and if you get the 60, then you get it for 50. They give you a $10 bill credit basically. It says payment for additional service due each month in advance to avoid cancellation of additional services. Plan restart. So let me get back to that. Payment for additional service due each month. So if you have insurance or you have an international plan, you will have to pay that as well. So if you have the 50 and then let's say you get a $5 international plan, whatever, it's 55, you'll have to pay 45 basically is what it's saying. It says plan restarts during the promotion period may shorten or delay credit. Select markets retail only. BYOD, bring your own device available for select devices for activation on Boost Mobile network requires Boost Mobile service plan. By purchasing, installing, or activating a card, you agree to a bid by Boost Mobile's terms and conditions. Network experience may vary and other service features, including MMS and some pre-installed applications. That's one thing. Sometimes I really haven't experienced any in a while, but sometimes your multimedia messages might not send or you might not receive them. But I mean, if you know how to edit the APN settings, you'll be fine. It says with Boost Mobile service, phones must be compatible and unlocked domestically by your current carrier before switching. Lost or stolen phones are not accepted, of course. Unlimited services. It says unlimited customers who use more than 35 gigs of data during the billing cycle will have speed reduced. That's done through Boost Mobile. This also includes $50 or 50 domestic voice roaming minutes and devices. Services and other things might be excluded. Unlimited services are on network only. So just to recap, guys, you get 35 gigs of high-speed data for $40 a month, which is great. Like I said, that's pretty much unlimited. I know Boost Mobile used to have an unlimited plan where you could use as much, but yeah, now that it's owned by the Dish Network, they kind of think 35 is plenty, which for a lot, I think it is. I mean, some carriers charge you $50 for 25 gigs, so I mean, 40 for 35 is pretty good. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know what you like to see. Sorry if I haven't made many videos lately. It's It's you know, it's summertime, so vacation and everything's around the corner. So that's what I'm doing. Take care.